And welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to learn about isotopes. One reason is that why isotopes have similar physical properties but they are differing in their chemical properties. So let us find out the reason for the same. So what are the isotopes? Isotopes are the elements which have same atomic number but different mass number. So for that we need to know what is atomic number and what is atomic mass. Atomic number is number of proton. And what is mass number? The total number of proton plus total number of neutron for any atom is mass. Do you remember any example of isotope? Yes, hydrogen, protium, deuterium and tritium. They are differing in their neutron. So that's why their mass number will be different. If you have any doubt regarding this concept, please check out my 8th standard video based on isotope. So here one sentence is there that isotopes have similar chemical properties but they have different physical properties. Now first we will try to understand that if it is a chemical properties, it is based on what, and if it is a physical properties, it is based on what. So when we are talking about chemical properties, so chemical properties are always depending upon the number of valence electron and number of electrons, because always electrons and valence electrons are taking part in the chemical reaction. Basically the valence electrons are taking part in the chemical reaction. So it is very important that how many number of electrons are there, and we do know that number of proton is equal to number of electrons. So if these two are same, then their chemical properties are same. And yes, isotopes have same atomic number. So they do have same electrons, they do have same valence electrons, they do have same number of proton. So they are having same chemical properties. Again, chemical properties are based on number of valence electron, because valence electrons are the electrons which are taking part in the chemical reactions. So the number of electrons is equal to number of protons. So isotopes have same atomic number. So that means isotopes have same number of electrons. So that's why they have same chemical properties. So what about physical properties? Physical properties are depending upon mass of an atom. They are depending upon mass, but isotopes have different neutrons. They do have different neutrons, so their mass will change. Their mass is different, so that's why they do have different physical properties. Again, the physical properties is based on the mass, and their mass are different. Why their mass are different? Because they are isotopes. All the isotopes are differing in neutron. That's why their mass is different, and since their mass is different, their physical properties are different from each other. So chemical properties are depending upon electrons and physical properties are depending upon mass. Mass is depending upon the neutron. So neutron is different, that's why mass is different, and that's why physical property is different. Whereas number of Electrons are same in the isotopes. They are same, so that's why chemical property is same. You need to remember only this 2 points, and based on that you can form your sentence. Electrons are same, so chemical properties are same. Neutron are different, that's why mass is different, and that's why physical properties are different for isotopes.